Hello, my name is Tim McDermott, and I am a cybersecurity project manager living in the beautiful Texas Hill Country. Yes, out in the middle of nowhere. We do have cybersecurity issues here. One of the issues that I have experienced is the ability to communicate well with the board. A board, by a board, I mean the senior leaders of an organization, the shareholders, the investors, etc. And those communications with the board are very important, but they are often areas of great difficulty for a technical person to present to a board. Technical people want to present things in technical terms. Boards are not technical people. They don't understand the technical terms. Therefore, you have to speak to them in terms that they understand. And that can be difficult. But that's a very important thing to get right because those are the people, the board are the people that determine the budgets, determine how much money you're going to get, how much funding you're going to get for your cybersecurity initiatives. So how do you handle communications with the board? You talk to them in terms that they can understand, not with technical terms. You talk to them in terms of impact. What is the impact going to be on the organization if this issue occurs? What is the dollar value, the dollar cost of the issue? How much is it going to hurt the organization's reputation? Those are the things that interest the board. Also, the board is interested in governance. They're interested in what rules or regulations are going to be affected by this risk that we're discussing. They want to know the downtime, the impact. How long are the systems going to be down if this issue occurs? You need to also make their decisions very simple. You need to bring with you all the information to them that they need to make their decisions, make them right there in the meeting. Make the decisions as simple as possible. Communicate risk in a simplest language, and close by asking them for an action on those items. Try to get actions out of them as soon as possible. That is how you communicate with the board. Thank you.